Welcome everybody to Whiteboard Wednesdays with Werner. We really appreciate your time. So for our episode today, we follow on from building our supercomputer for the enterprise layers, which we discussed last week. And those layers, if you remember correctly, are the compute layer, the networking layer, and the storage layer that houses, most importantly, our data. Everything about an enterprise supercomputer is designed to ensure that we move data very, very fast or accelerated fashion from the storage all the way up to the compute. Now, how does Data Sciences Corporation provide these technologies to you as the customer? Well, through our partnerships, we use the following components to create these layers. Well, the first partnership that we have is with NVIDIA. Now, you know NVIDIA, we've spoken about their brains, but NVIDIA provides us the DGX A100, and this is their latest supercomputer platform that provides us with 5 petaflops of AI compute performance that houses the CPU, the GPU, and also the DPU that allows us that special ingredient to connect our nervous system or the networking layer into that brain. And that partnership is fulfilled through Mellanox. So our networking is done through Mellanox, right? And they provide InfiniBand switches. Now the InfiniBand switch is unique. InfiniBand, and that is because it's uniquely designed to move large amounts of data, very heavy data if you want to think of it in that way, and it also connects into the DGX through that DPU processor, so effectively expands the brain functionality within the networking layer itself. Now, most importantly, we want to move that heavy data, that big data mass, actually often referred to it as data gravity, we want to be able to move that to the brain as quickly as possible into the compute layer. So we partner with 2 very, very clever storage platform providers. The first one is Pure Storage, which is a flash-based storage platform that allows us to interconnect into InfiniBand and also provide the data to the DGX A100. And the second provider is Vast. And they have a very, very interesting architecture in how they do their flash storage and also connect into InfiniBand in a very clever way using something called GPU Direct, which we might get into in a future episode, allowing us to move the data from these flash-based storage through our nervous system that is enabled with DPUs and connect to the fastest supercomputer platform commercially available to the enterprise. And this is how Data Sciences Corporation provides you, our customer, a turnkey enterprise AI platform. Thank you very much for the time you spent with us today at Whiteboard Wednesdays with Werner. Please don't forget to comment if you have anything to say, and also like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.